Hello, I am Dr. Astha Chaudhary, Professor and in charge of Department of Oral Medicine and Radiology at Faculty of Dental Sciences. Ours is one of the leading dental institutions in Delhi NCR, and recently we have been ranked 36th in the nationwide India Today ranking. The Department of OMR at SGT witnesses an excellent inflow of patients, and we are equipped with state-of-art infrastructure including the PlanMaker ProFace CBCT machine with advanced softwares which allows for adequate radiographic training and patient management. The curriculum in the department is planned to enhance the clinical skills of the students as well as the research acumen of the students at both UG and PG level by giving them research projects and encouraging scientific publications and presentations at various forums. Since oral medicine is a bridge between dentistry and general medicine, students are trained in basic life support from the National Reference Simulation Center and through peripheral rotatory postings at various medical departments and oncology centers. The aim of oral medicine and radiology is to produce oral physicians and oral radiologists who are industry-ready professionals ready to face the growing market. Thank you.